Here I have a IP address and a subnet mask. We need to find the broadcast IP address. So first of all, we will convert this IP address and subnet mask into binary. So let's convert. So very straightforward. 128 plus 64 is equal to 192. Therefore, 2 will be binary and rest are 0. 2 will be 1 and rest are 0. Then 168. 128 is 32. And plus 8. So what is here? 128, 0 and 32. Then 16 will be 0, 8 will be 1, 4, 2 and will be 0. Then we have 100. So 100 means neither 128 satisfies. 64 plus 32, 96 plus 4 is equal to 100. So this will be 0. And 1, 1, 16, 8, 4, 2, 1. So next is 164. 164 is equal to 128 plus 32, 160 and then 4. So what this brings us to once 32, 16, 8 at 0, 4 is 1, 2, 0. So this is the IP address binary. Now we will do the binary of subnet mask. Then 248, the binary of 248 is 64 plus 32 plus 16 plus 8 to 8, 64, 32, 16, 8 and 4. Five will be 1 and rest of it will be 0. So now we'll have to do the ending to get the network ID. So there is something meaning in the ending. So when you have a decimal value, the ending means is to sum of two numbers, and when you are ending in binary, it means multiplication. So what this means, then 1 into 1 is 1, rest are 0. So this part is the network part, and the next is the host part of the last octet. So this is the binary. If you convert it, so this will become 192, this will become 168, this will become 100. If you compute the binary, and what will this become? It is 128 plus 32 and 4. 128 plus 32 plus 4. So this become 164 as we have computed already. So this will become 0. So what it has become 160. So 160 will be your network ID. Then if you want to find the broadcast ID, just look at your subnet mask, that is 248. 248 means it is /29 subnet. So you need to gather 29 bits separated from uh, host portion. That is, you need to write 1 1. Sorry, I will copy this 29 bits and write it here. So the only bits that are available to you are 000, 30, 31, 32, and you need to turn them into 1. Now do the binary again of this host portion. So what you will get, just turn that into 1. So what you will get here is 128 plus 32, 4 plus 2 plus, sorry, 8 plus 32, 4 plus 2 plus 1. So this means your answer is 167 and the final answer is 192.168.167 will be your broadcast ID. Thanks for watching.